Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to see electrical shop. So this electrical shop will come under trading service. If you see Mudra, PMEGP, NEET scheme or Stand Up India, in any scheme you can get this loan from the nationalized bank or private banks. Normally, before starting any business, you have to do market study. Whether if I start this business, it will fetch income or not. What are the things I have to do? How I have to proceed? So for that, if I have decided to start this business. To start this business, I need bank loan of 10 lakhs or 15 lakhs or 20 lakhs. For this, what are the documents required? How the bank is expecting the documents? Okay, bank has given the loan. After that, what is my expenses monthly will be there? What is my income will be there? How much interest I will pay to this bank? These ideas you must have always. Before starting any business, first you have to calculate whether I have to do the business, whether it will generate income, what are the expenses, what are the record documents I have to see, what are the certificates, licenses I have to keep. These things you must keep in mind. Okay. We have decided to start electrical shop as our business. So this is open cash credit. 25% margin you have to bring. Bank will give 75%. It means 10 lakhs on the bank will give 2.5 lakhs. I have to put my margin. Totally 12.5 lakhs stocks will be always in the shop. So it will be in the form of stocks, or you have given to the customer and they have to pay book debts. We used to tell. So for running capital for electrical shop we are giving. Suppose monthly you have to give the stock statement to the bank. If it is difficult, a few people used to do SOD overdraft. So monthly stock statement on it to give. So you have to submit, give collateral security for that. Quarterly or yearly you have to submit the stock statement. According to that, this loan will be given. So normally the area will be 150 square feet. The lease or rental agreement must be there. That also must be for 5 to 7 years. You have to put this lease agreement. Normally, if you see the margin, normally for electrical shop, 10 to 30% of margin you will get it. So for that, you have to sell via LED bulbs and fans and different products, electric light you have to sell. There are two different types. One is hardware shop, that is totally different. So that is like steels, pipes, bolt and nuts, washers, everything will be there. In electrical item, it is a soft item which will be broken. So you have to handle it carefully. According to that interior, the racks you must keep. If you see the investment, it's my 0.5 lakhs to 2 lakhs. If you put the investment, it will fetch very good income. 25% margin you have to bring, 75% bank loan will be given. Now, what are the requirements? MSME registration you have to do. That otherwise ODM registration, Udyogada. Then dealership, you have to get a dealership. Then only quality product, quality switches, cables, wires you will be getting. So like Philips, Kunde, there are different type of electrical companies which will give dealership to you. If you give bulk amount this much, they will directly separate to you. PAN number, GST, you have to submit before to the bank. Project report you have to put, and CMA, what is my income, what is my expenditure, what is my profit, this year how much will be, next year, coming projection years, all the detail will be there. So this is the data which a bank will, okay, in this business will fetch further also income, so they will give the loan. So according to this, you have to give. Normally less than 20 lakhs we can make our own project report. More than 20 lakhs only that audited CMA is required. So project report you have to make. Material stocks, you have to give a quotations. What are the materials you are going to purchase? What are the material you are going to keep in your shop? You must give that. Credit based on. If you give money quickly, they will give. With a good discount, they will give the product. So once you develop a very good relationship, they within 10 days, 15 days, 30 days. After that, you can give the money, and also they will give margin. So you must develop like the relationship. It can be an individual or proprietorship or partnership. Mainly, if ladies are included as individual or their proprietaries or one of the partner, the rate of interest will be 0.05 percentage compared to gents. So you will get a little bit of less interest compared to others. So normally these are the main documents you have to submit to the bank. Before doing that, market study. You have to do market study. Whether this will fetch income to me or not. How it will fetch income to me. You have to see it. So location is the main thing. Housing or development area, we must make this. We have to start this business. Then only people will come and purchase item. road access must be there, people movement here and there, people has to move there daily. 100 people or 200 people, 300 people come and purchase a material. So you have to see, then only you will get income. Only 5 people are there, 10 people are coming there for 100 rupees, 10 people, we cannot run this show because we are having a lot of stocks. We have to sell it and we have to purchase it. It's a circular process. So road access must be there, people movements must be there, and how many electrical shops are there here and there, and what is the distance between you and other electrical shop, you must see. Because you are your electrical shop and another electrical shop within 200 meters or 300 meters, there will be a competition. So it's best that within some distances, if it is there, it is good, and your business also will be developing. So electrical switches, wires, LED, what are the right of fans, exhaust fan, everything. If you include, it is a added advantages to you. Working hours are 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Contractors and electricians are the must, because you must have a very good relationship within the contractors. Then if the contractors are good and electricians are good, they will regularly will come. And if you give discount to them, if you give some amount like Diwali or New Year time, if you give t-shirts, because a lot of t-shirts will be saying that dealers are giving. So if you give to them, they will be happy and regularly they will be coming to you. So racks and racks, electrical items must be kept in racks because they are lightweight. It will be broken. So these must be kept in separate racks. So discount and advertisement has to be there. Then what are the expenses? What are the incomes? What are the interest? In expenses are normally, if you see, advances you got to give, interior you got to make, stocks play the main role because they only going to be sold to the customer. Manpower charges, EV charges, rental charges, and dealership or fleets are funded. So all this the expenses are there. In this fixed expenses, variable expenses, monthly variable expenses, if you calculate, normally 5 to 8 lakhs will be there. Income, if you see, daily 2000 to 3000, you will be getting the income monthly. So you will be getting 70,000 to 1 lakh. You will get a monthly salary, and from this yearly 6 to 8 lakhs you will be getting. Normally, from my idea, monthly nearly 5 to 8 lakhs will be the expenditure, nearly 7 to 10 lakhs will be the income. So you will get at least 1 lakh per month as your salary. So when you are getting like this, when you got bank loan 10 lakhs or 15 lakhs or 20 lakhs monthly for running capital, EMI will be 10,000, 15,000, 20,000. If you pay only 10,000, it is not good because you have to put it reducing balance. So 10 lakhs, 9 lakhs, 8 lakhs, 7 lakh, 5 lakh. Within 5 years, you got to close this account. Again, you got to do a top up. You can top up it. So 10,000 is a EMI. Extra you can put 10,000 because your net profit you can invest in one in interest. I mean bank interest. If you put money, interest will be coming down. Otherwise, if you put in stocks, more income it will fetch. But more stocks if you bought and it is not sold, it is not good for you. It is better that if you put in bank interest and reducing your balance, it is a indirect profit to you. So from my point, this electrical shop fetch a very good income, and it is playing a vital role in our places because everybody in every house there is LED bulb, tube light, fans, electrical items, everything is there. So at least once a week or once a month, everybody will be facing some problem. So electricians will be knowing that if we are having a very good contact with the electrician, they will fetch us income. When we give some incentives or discounts to them, they will bring more customers to us. So please start this electrical shop. Before that, please do the market survey, and if it is giving good result, you start it. If anything, put in my command box. Best of luck. Thank you.